we testing the machine for the Yamato ramen machine. Push the powder. Must be the cover must be matching because have the sensor, the safety sensor.
呢個時間呢
The
個
timer.
運轉
This is
啟動
operation, and the green button is the starting button. After ethanol, the 30% the water. Take off the stove.
呢個
This powder. The powder. Right now, filling the powder to the hopper. And now adjustment the thickness to the around 4 mm. This is the roller switch. This is the cutter switch. This roller mode.
一打翻就 OK
OK.
OK 啊，開啦。
Push. Also have the stop button. This stop button. This is the powder machine. Powder machine have a switch on off. This is the plug.
你調翻到1.5咪先啦。
調到啦。
This powder machine
即係
have
我要開住機先轉㗎。
has
唔
powder.
使停一停先，你即係
This is the 80 the number 80 the cutter. The cutter. So you need to the roller thickness is adjust 1.5 mm. thickness.
做慢啲。
停一停先。
好吧。
開等。
坐呢度啦，如果瞓。
This powder can adjust the speed. Adjust the speed.
好多風扇。
直接捲上做緊得㗎啦，有少少唔用。
真係好靚。
It's okay. Then final step is the Ludo cutter. This Ludo
入少少嘅個面就光滑啲嘅。
this
即係帶佢。
number 18. The cutting the Ludo is 1.7. The roller furnace to 1.5. 1.5.
依家呢個要打落嚟。
The
即係落面都。
cutter 就開呢個得啦。
同埋嗰個長度。
This Ludo
唔係呢度先
the
短。
length and the short adjustment. This right hand side is short. This is length. 長啲咯，較長啲。
夠啦，係咁長。
OK 執幾個出嚟咯，好啦。
要踩踩啊！即係伸一轉，一手一兜，唔係一手一兜後面一側啊，佢兜翻過嚟啊。
OK 啦。 太長啦。
太長，太長唔使啱啦。咁啊執下啦，執呢個。
Okay, finish. That's all.